Welcome to video and design number 2 in this simple leaf design card series. Shown here are all of the supplies that you'll need to make this card. To start, take your pencil and paper and draw out the design. There is a link to a free template in the description box below. Once you've completed that and everything is drawn out in pencil, simply take a thin black pen and trace over the pencil lines that you had just previously drawn. Here, like I did in the first video of this series, I'm using a Faber-Castell pen in size M. A really easy way to customize this card would be to simply change perhaps the pen thickness that you're using or pen color. And once I had everything traced over, I just went in with an eraser to remove any remaining pencil lines. And once you've done that and any other final touch-ups, this card is complete. Thanks so much for watching, and check out tomorrow's video for a final simple leaf design card.